Hey, welcome back. We've spent the last two videos building a solid automated test suite with PyTest that covers regressions and catches bugs before deployment. But sometimes you just want to quickly fire a real request at your running API and see what comes back with your own eyes. That's where Postman comes in. In this video, we use it as a manual verification tool, not a replacement for automated tests. A spot check on top of them. Let's set it up. Look at the flow on screen. Code change, PyTest runs, deploy, Postman spot check. That's the full development workflow. Automated tests run on every code change and in CI. They catch regressions without any human involvement. But after you deploy to a new environment, whether that's staging or production, you want a human to fire a real request and confirm things are working as expected. That's exactly where Postman sits. The call out at the bottom says it clearly. Postman is used by a human for a quick sanity check on a running API. This is exactly what Postman does mechanically. You enter your request in Postman targeting localhost :8000/ask. It travels to the FastAPI server. The server receives it, processes it, builds the response. That response comes back to Postman and you see it on screen. 200 OK with Karan's answer in the body. The whole thing takes 2 seconds. No code, no fixtures, no mocks. Just a real request and a real response. That's the value. Use it as your spot check, not your safety net. PyTest is the safety net. The use cases of Postman. Verifying an endpoint works after deploying to a new environment. Exploring a response structure you haven't tested yet. Sharing a working request example with a teammate or front-end developer. And quick debugging without writing a formal test first. All four have one thing in common. They need a human in the loop looking at the actual response. That's what Postman gives you. Your automated test suite is the safety net. Postman is the spot check. That's Postman setup and working with Karan's API. You now have automated tests for regressions and a fast manual check for deployments and exploration. That's a complete testing workflow. Up next is the Module 4 quiz, covering API key auth, JWT, rate limiting PyTest, dependency overrides, and Postman. Good luck and we'll see you in Module 5.